Your HomeLink universal transceiver's control buttons are located along the bottom of your rearview mirror. The system can consolidate the functions of various individual handheld transmitters to replace devices that operate garage doors, gates, lights, or security alarms. HomeLink is powered by your Nissan vehicle's battery and requires no other power source. Remember that you'll need all of your handheld transmitters, such as your garage door opener, to successfully program HomeLink. To get started, clear the HomeLink memory. Press and hold the two outer buttons. When the LED indicator changes from solid to rapidly flashing, release both buttons. Your HomeLink is now ready to be programmed. To begin programming, press and release the button that you would like to program. Then position the handheld transmitter 1 to 3 inches away from the HomeLink surface. While the HomeLink indicator is flashing orange, press and hold the handheld transmitter button until the indicator changes to green. Release the transmitter button and wait for the garage door to stop moving. Next, press the HomeLink button and observe the indicator light. If it remains a constant green, your device should operate when the HomeLink button is pressed. If the indicator light rapidly flashes in green, press and hold the HomeLink button for 2 seconds, up to 3 times. If your device still does not operate, locate the Learn or Set button on the garage door opener motor. Press and release the button until the indicator illuminates. Return to the vehicle and press and hold the HomeLink button for 2 seconds, up to 3 times. This last step must be performed within 30 seconds of pushing the programming button on the door drive unit. If you have any questions or are having difficulty programming your HomeLink buttons, please refer to the HomeLink website or call 1-800-355-3515. For further functions and features, download the HomeLink app from the website. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.